Boss Mike, simulan ko na. Sealed What If Hobby Box Perso Break ni Boss Mike Ang. Discover 1990 Retro Design Parallel Cards. Amazing selection of big hits including Black Diamond Stone, Relics, and Jambalaya cards. 6 packs per box, 15 packs per box. Game! Game tayo, Boss Mike, ha. Buksan ko na. Salamat ulit, Boss Mike, sa pabili. Perso break. Game, sana may jambalaya dito at saka sa Wolvie box natin. Game sealed. Okay. 15 packs din, parang nung Marvel Beginnings kanina. Check natin. Empty box. Bilang tayo. One, two, three, four, five. Expect acetate katulad ng last time. Every pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, di na tayo mag-shuffle. Perso break naman to ni Boss Mike. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo magbukas. Thank you ulit, Boss Mike. Good luck. First card, Hawkeye. Next, Wong. Yondu. Unang acetate, Captain Marvel. Second acetate, Killmonger rescued Tony Stark. Clear cut chapters as acetate originals, not numbered. Likod, Frost Giant Loki, not numbered. Dalawang acetate agad. First pack pa lang. Second pack. Second pack. First card. 90s agad. Super Villains. Zombie. Captain A. Uy. May numbered card agad. Likod tayo muna. Vision. Not numbered. Acetate. Clear cut chapters, T'Challa. What if T'Challa became Star-Lord? Next. Apat lang pala dahil meron tayong Black Diamond ni Frost Giant Loki. 169 out of 199. Unang numbered card, Black Diamond number 27. Ang ganda. Congrats, Boss Mike. May Black Diamond na. Second pack pa lang. Third pack. Third pack tayo. Ano to? Steve Rogers, Nick Fury. Next, Infinity Ultron. Lahat naka-landscape pa. Uy, Thor. 630 out of 88. Second numbered card natin. Possibilities red. Thor. Acetate card, clear cut chapters. What if Killmonger ulit rescued Tony Stark? At si Peggy Carter ang ating last card. Dalawang numbered card agad ang lumabas. Fourth pack. Three packs pa lang. 2 out of 3. Numbered agad. Superheroes. Ayan, 1990s. Nebula. Next card. Party Thor. Next. Uy, The Wasp. Not numbered, pero ito ay possibilities lang. Tony Stark ba ito? Howard Stark. Clear cut chapters at si Howard Stark ulit, dalawa. Fifth pack. First card, Killmonger. Naka-landscape. Thor. The Watcher. Oy, medallion. Post-apocalyptic Black Widow base medallion. Clear cut chapters. Zombie Thanos at Doctor Strange Supreme. Ang unang medallion natin, Black Widow post-apocalyptic. One-third na ng box. 6 pack. Uy, parang may number ka daw nakita. Howard Stark, 90s card. Post-apocalyptic ulit, Black Widow. Uy, si Spidey, Zombie Hunter Spidey. Base. Clear cut. Acetate originals pala. Doctor Strange Supreme. Clear cut, Peggy. Tsaka si Hydra Stomper. Zombie Captain A ang nasa likod. Not numbered. Last time may numbered Zombie Hunter Spidey yata tayo. Seventh pack. Doctor Strange, not the Supreme one. The Collector, Ancient one. Uy, The Watcher Sight, Doctor Strange. Unang lenticular. What if zombies, clear cut chapters. Vision at si Captain Carter ang nasa likod. Next, 8. Halfway tayo, halfway na. Dalawa ang viewers, ini isa. Uy, para may numbered card na dito. Peggy Carter, 90s. Captain Carter. Next card, Scott Lang. Likod tayo. Uy, Scott Lang ulit. Clear cut. What if Captain Carter were the first Avenger? At ang next card, Captain Marvel. Numbered ba to? Not numbered. Dimensions lang siya. Superheroes, Dimensions, Captain Marvel. Next. Howard Stark ulit. Doctor Strange Supreme base. Zombie Captain A base. Oy. Gamora, Daughter of Thanos. Ito ay possibilities lang ulit. Kala ko may possibilities na color din, blue, bluish. What If Zombies at saka Doctor Strange ang huli. Clear cut chapters ng What If Zombies. Yan. 2/3 na. Pack number 10. '90s card ulit. Vision. Uy, Vision ulit. Base. Peggy Carter. Uy. Mapula. Ang laki naman ito. Sino to? Medallion ni ay, si Scott Lang. May ganito pala siyang card na medallion. Next, Peggy Carter at si The Collector. Ganda sana kung numbered medallion to. Pack number 11 tayo. Last third ng box. First card, Gamora base, Daughter of Thanos. The Wasp base. Frost Giant Loki landscaped. Acetate original, Gamora. Clear cut, What If Ultron 1. Ay, kala ko si ano, si Ancient One ang nasa likod pala. Next tayo, will be box ulit. Next. Last ang Marvel Annual. Oh, Frost Giant Loki ulit. 90s card. Doctor Strange Supreme. Thanos base. Oy, numbered. Zombie Iron Man 191 out of 388. Ang ganda. Possibilities Blue. Zombie Iron Man. Clear Cut Strange at si Wong. Likod Post-apocalyptic Black Widow. Ang third numbered card. Sana may jambalaya. Next. Thirteenth. Hank Pym, parang ngayon sila nakita. Black Widow. Oy. Post-apocalyptic Hawkeye. Second Watcher's Sight, Captain Marvel. WS number 13. Ultron, Clear Cut Chapters at Zombie Hunter Spidey. Spidey lang talaga ang name niya, hindi siya Spider-Man. Last 2 packs na tayo, Boss Mike. Salamat ulit. Sa susunod, sana meron pa. '90s card. The Wasp. Black Panther. Pero si Killmonger ang nandito sa mukha. Darcy Lewis. Uy. May Battle Spectrum tayo. The Watcher versus Infinity Ultron. Pwede nga rin pa tayo makakuha dito ng Infinity Stone. Numbered ba to? BS number 15. Not numbered. Check ko mamaya. Clear Cut. Doctor Strange lost his heart instead of hands. Killmonger, likod. May Battle Spectrum. Last pack, Boss Mike. Last pack. Captain Carter, Captain Marvel, The Watcher, oy, Gamora, Daughter of Thanos. Third medallion natin, not numbered. What if Ultron 1 Clear Cut Chapters at si Thor? Sorry boss, walang jambalaya, walang Infinity Stone. Thank you ulit, Boss Mike. Salamat sa pag perso break. Thank you.